We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and related Italian food names too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. If this was an Italian name, said in Italian therefore, and being the name of a pizzeria, you would think this is Italian, right? It would be said as Sbarro, Sbarro. In American English though, in the US, this is usually said as Sbarro, Sbarro. Selling New York-style pizzas, Sbarro. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting brand names and Italian food names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.